Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to replace a fuel pump in a Jeep Grand Cherokee. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent any electrical issues. Next, it is crucial to relieve the fuel system pressure. You can do this by removing the fuel pump relay and running the engine until it stalls. Gather all necessary tools, including a fuel line disconnect tool, and have your new fuel pump and O-ring gasket ready. Safety glasses and gloves are also highly recommended for this task. Now, let's get to accessing the fuel pump. Begin by safely lifting your Jeep Grand Cherokee and securing it on at least 2 3-ton jack stands. If your fuel tank is more than 1/4 full, it is essential to drain it using a siphon pump into approved containers. Next, disconnect all electrical connectors and fuel lines from the pump assembly. Carefully remove the fuel tank straps, then slowly lower the tank, paying close attention to the fuel level sensor float arm to avoid damage. With the fuel tank lowered, it's time to replace the pump. First, clean any dirt or debris from around the fuel pump module on the tank. Use a specialized fuel pump retaining ring tool or carefully tap a brass punch with a hammer counterclockwise to loosen and remove the lock ring. Gently lift the old fuel pump assembly straight out of the tank. Install the new fuel pump, ensuring the new O-ring gasket is properly seated in its groove before securing it with the retaining ring. Finally, let's reassemble and test your work. Carefully raise the fuel tank back into position and secure it with its straps. Reconnect all fuel lines and electrical connectors, ensuring they click firmly into place. Add at least 5 gallons of fresh fuel to the tank. Before starting the engine, turn the ignition to the on position for a few seconds, then off, repeating this several times to prime the fuel system. Check thoroughly for any leaks before starting the engine and performing a test drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.